Welcome to the Post-Survey Packaging Instruction module for PARAKH Rashtriya Sarvekshan 2024. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to ensure that all the survey materials are packed correctly and securely. So let's begin. First, begin by counting all the filled OMR sheets of AT, PQ, TQ and SQ of all students or teachers or school head to verify that every OMR has been collected. Also, collect all observation tools such as control sheets and field notes duly filled by FIs, field note filled by observer and monitoring performer jointly filled by school head and observer. Next, locate the empty, open, tamper-evident packet labeled OMR return bag. This packet is provided inside the SQ booklets bag. Use it to pack all the following filled OMRs and observation tools of grades 3, 6 and 9 in a single OMR return bag. OMRs for achievement test AT of all students of class 3, 6 and 9. Pupil questionnaire PQ of all students of class 3, 6 and 9. Teacher questionnaire of all teachers of class 3, 6 and 9. School questionnaire filled by school head. Control sheet, monitoring performer, field notes for observer and the field note for field investigators. Now fill the details mentioned over the OMR return bag and seal it following as indicated. Once complete, pack all used and unused test booklets including AT, PQ, TQ and SQ in the same packets in which the material was received from the collection center. All such packets of booklets must be sealed with tape and tied together with sutli or twine and then be submitted at the same collection center from which the material was received in the morning along with the OMR return bag. Observers and field investigators must ensure that no survey material is left behind at the school under any circumstances. Next, once the survey is conducted, the observer will deliver both packets to the DLC CBSE. The DLC will then verify that both packets, the OMR return bag and the used and unused test booklets and other material have been received from each sample school within the district. The DLC will then organize these packets into separate trunks, that is, separate trunks designated for OMR return bags clearly labeled and separate trunks for used test booklets and other materials also clearly labeled. The DLC CBSE will then coordinate with CBSE officials to dispatch the trunks containing the OMR return bags according to the provided instructions. Additionally, the DLC CBSE will securely store all trunks containing the used and unused test booklets and other materials until further notice. By adhering to these guidelines, you contribute to a smooth, efficient and secure survey process. Thank you for your cooperation in ensuring the success of the PARAKH Rashtriya Sarvekshan 2024.